Hello friends, in this lecture I will discuss half subtractors and its designing. So first of all, what is a half subtractor? Half subtractor is a combination logic circuit which is used to perform binary subtraction of two numbers with the size of single bit each, and it gives two output. That outputs are known as a difference and borrow. So see here, we have a two numbers a and b. We need to perform subtraction a minus b. That means we are going to subtract b from a. So size of a and b is a single bit. That means a value will be a 0 0, a value will be 0, and b will be also 0. Or another option may be a 1 0, 1 1, and last one it may be a 0 1. If you see, if we perform 0 minus 0 subtraction, so difference, what will be the difference? A minus b, this will be 0. If we subtracting 1 minus 0, so this will be a difference 1. Similarly, if we are subtracting 1 minus 1, that means 1 minus 1 both are 1, that means this value will be 0. And here, if you see, a value is 0, b value is 1. If we perform a 0 minus 1, that time 0, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So this 0 take borrow from the higher position. So इसने borrow लेगा, then this value become 1 0. 1 0 in decimal is known as a 2. तो 2 minus 1 is 1. So यहाँ पे borrow लेना पड़ा. Rest केस में borrow आपको नहीं लेना पड़ा. First three cases में borrow नहीं लेना पड़ा. So borrow output will be here 0 for the first three cases. But in the last case, we need a borrow for the subtraction. So borrow value will be here high. So half subtractor having two inputs. So this is a block diagram. Inputs A and B, and two outputs D for difference, and another output is B not for borrow in a half subtractor. This one, truth table of half subtractor circuitry. So inputs are AB of size of 1 bits. So I write here all possible combinations. After this, see, difference value will be D क्या होगा? A minus जो difference होगा A minus B का जो भी difference value होगा, that if we perform A minus with 0 minus 0, difference will be a 0. क्या borrow लेना पड़ा? नहीं, we borrow नहीं लेना पड़ा, so B naught will be a 0 here. Similar 0 minus 1, if you see 0 minus 1, 0 में से minus 1 करना, that means 0 smaller 1, so इसमें difference तो 1 आएगा. So इस केस में आपको borrow लेना पड़ा, that means here will be 1. ठीक है, 1 minus 0, that means difference will be directly 1, borrow नहीं लेना पड़ा. And last one, 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 is 0 difference, so borrow again नहीं लेना पड़ा. So this is the truth table of half subtractor. After this, we write output expressions. So there are two outputs. First output is difference. So for difference, write a Boolean expression D is equal to, if you see in a output column of D, so 1 is here output, here is 1 output. So what is corresponding product term? So here will be A bar B plus AB bar. So this one is basically A bar B plus AB bar is known as a XOR B. Similarly, if you see the borrow output column, so here output borrow is equal to B naught is equal to, here output is 1, so that means corresponding here product term will be A bar B. So this will be B naught. So this is second output. Boolean expression will be A bar B. Now at the last, we will design the circuit diagram. So for the D, you make here. So for difference, we will take a XOR gate, AB input, and output will be a difference D. Another output is B naught, that means borrow. So here we'll take a AND gate, and this A bar, this A line is connected to first a NOT gate, and this goes to the here AND gate input. Now this B line is connected here, and this is a output B naught bar. This is a, we can perform subtraction of two number with the help of half subtractor if the two number size is 1 bit. So If we having a two numbers of size of multi-bit, at that time half subtractor will be a fail to perform a subtraction operation. So this is the main drawback of half subtractor. So in the next lecture, I will discuss about a full subtractor. We can solve